why did I do that? When I first created this artwork, I was like, it's fine, nothing really special. And then I posted it to Instagram and I went to bye-bye, which translates into sleep. The next day, I woke up expecting nothing. I took my phone, I opened my Instagram, and it was crazy! 35,000 views! Holy water! What? Holy water? Do we have to record that part again now? Сожалению, да. That's all good, but I will probably get like 3 or 4 followers. What is it gonna be?
Finish him!
160 overnight for one artwork.
Perfect!
Okay, I'm 99% sure that I'm not sleeping. And to be honest, one side of me was like,
Yo! Shout out to Satan!
but then came the other guy and
Remember, you're a teacher. Share your knowledge with your students. Hey! Stop looking at mess! What are you doing, young man? Eyes up! Eyes up!
but because of course I am the good guy. Huh? Since when you're the good guy?
Фарид, что ты делаешь?
Nothing. I was just helping him to, get up. Come on, man. Come on. This tutorial is broken up into 4 magical phases. Number 1, you will see how to add many eyes to the face so you look scary as fuck. Number 2, we will animate the face so it goes from that to that. It's a really nice and smooth movement. Number 3. What is happening to me? I will show you how to make the brush go like that from the eyes and down, almost like if she is crying, and probably she is, and I don't know why, because I don't know her. What do you want from me? Sometimes people message me asking me who is that girl in my artwork, and how the fuck am I supposed to know? I don't know them, I'm just using the image.
Oh no, you're gonna tell me now!
Who is she?
And number 4, the most important part. Destroy your laptop. Okay, the last part is voluntary.
Voluntary? Voluntary?
With that said, let's just jump into it. And when I say jump into it, you literally have to jump, okay? So just stand up from your chair or whatever you're doing and just jump, okay? Just move your body. First of all, we need to find the right image. And for that, we can go to unsplash.com. There you need to Google face, okay? It can be a guy, it can be a boy, a girl, okay.
Doctor? Yes, Fred. Doctor, I think I lost my brain. Let me check it for you, my friend. Oh my god, Fred! What? It's empty!
It can be a guy, it can be a girl, doesn't really matter. Okay. The main thing is that it needs to be face, just as beautiful as mine. And also the image needs to look straight to you in the eyes.
I love you.
Okay, maybe that is too close probably. Or you can just use my image and I have the description in the link. The link in the description. Now we need to go and open Photoshop, and then we need to create a new project and import the image.
So, make sure your height is 1250, width is 1000, color mode is RGB color, you have pixels selected, and resolution is 300 Spartans.
And then just click create, and only then when you have a beautifully empty project, just like my wallet. You can take the image and drag it into Photoshop, and that is called importing, okay?
Yeah.
So now, because
I'm eating, you will have to be able to read my mind. And if you already hear what I'm saying, then good job, my friend. You can read minds now. So now when we have our image, we can go to filter and then to liquify. Here we can click that face icon and now see the magic. We can instantly just click and drag and make the eyes bigger. That's exactly what we need. And also give her some Mickey Mouse nose. Let's also make this smaller. But please don't use this too much or your face will forever be like mine. Oh my god, no! And now we can just click that OK button.
And it's not okay, it's the OK button.
And don't argue with me, okay? I know what I'm doing.
I asked the Photoshop team and they told me you are right. So now we need to start separating the eyes one by one. And for that we will use the lasso tool. Sounds so sexy.
Oh yeah, baby, don't stop.
Wait, what? Who are you?
Lasso tool. Just make sure that you have the right square tick and also make further around 8 pixels, which will basically ensure that the borders of the eyes are going to go really smooth. And then you just need to go beautifully around your eye with the lasso tool to make sure you can cut it out later, just like that. What am I doing? And after you're done, in order to cut the eye, all you need to do is just click Ctrl plus J.
Yes?
What?
You said J?
Yeah, I said J, I meant the letter J.
Yeah, but my name is J.
So?
You called me.
No, I didn't.
But you said J.
No, but I meant the letter J.
I left my job and came here because you called me.
What should I do now? I don't need you.
But I can't lose my job now.
I really need to continue my story, okay? You're making me angry.
No, you listen to me. You called Jay and I came here and now you're telling me that you don't need me. What kind of...
I have two news. Good news and bad news. Good news, we can finally continue the tutorial. Bad news, Jay is not with us anymore. He decided to leave. And I just forgot to say, so Ctrl plus the J letter is for Windows. For Mac it's Command plus J. You got what I mean, right?
You will see a newly created layer with your eye here. You can take it and drag it anywhere you want to place it. So now, let's go to our layer, click right and choose convert to smart object, so at least it's smarter than us. Now we need to go to blending options and choose any blending option you want. You can experiment and see which one you like most. But I will go with darken.
So now, all we need to do is to create many copies of the eye. So basically you just hold Alt or Option. You hold it, keep this hold, not press but hold it, there's a big difference, okay? Don't make me explain you the difference between holding and pressing. You hold Alt or Option and then you click on the eye and then you take it and you drag it somewhere else and then you release Alt or Option and then you release your mouse button. And ta-dam, you have created a copy officially. And now to make it adjust the curvature of your face.
Now we can select our eye. We can click Ctrl or Command plus T to enter the transformation mode, click right button and choose perspective. And now we can just click on that icon and drag it a little bit down to change the perspective of our eye. Now let's click right button and go to Warp. Warp helps us to change the curvature of eye how we want. So we can just click and drag, as you can see it's changing, and that is just magical. And after you are done, you just need to go and click the OK button up there.
And then you have the tools that will help you change the eye to adjust the curve and go like that. What is happening? It was a dream. It was a dream. I am not melting. My legs, my legs. Ooh, ooh. My legs, they're fine. What the f is going on? So now we need to do this to the every single eye, and I will just put this in a speed mode so it gets faster.
Excuse moi, my dear amigos. If you want to get rid of these borders around the eye, you just have to select that layer and then create a mask for it. And then using brush tool and black color, you can go and delete the borders and make them really smooth. And if you don't know how masks works, then you should go and check out my video on masks, because that's the basics of Photoshop.
So now, my dear friends, we need to go to the magical and mysterious After Effects in order to animate the face. And actually, in After Effects, we are going to use a secret technology from the future. And for that, first of all, we need to wear the time travel goggles. Done. Number 2, we need to take a weapon with us because it's dangerous in the future. Weapon ready. I know right now you're thinking, what the f***, why does he have a banana in his head? Well, the thing is that I will tell you the harsh truth. In the future, monkeys took over the world. And that's why I can use a banana. I can just throw the banana on the person and the monkeys will start to attack him. Smart, huh?
Why are you doing that to me? Did I deserve it? Huh? Why did you throw me? Why?
Then you need to use the time travel portal that everyone has at home. If you don't remember, I showed you how to create this during my last tutorial, so and now it's time to go. I got it. The secret technologies. Now we can go to After Effects. We're gonna use a plugin that is called Photo Motion X. So I will quickly show you how this plugin works, but if you download it, there are gonna be hundreds of tutorials for this plugin anyway, so that's why I'm not gonna go in details. Again, there are tons of tutorials on this stuff, so I'm not gonna be detailed here. We need to make sure that this mask is on her face, and that's why we first of all have to choose where's our left eye, which is this one, and then we have to choose our right eye, which is this one here, and then we have to choose our beautiful Mickey Mouse nose. Boom! See the magic, ta-dang! And then after you are done with that, why did I do that? I have no idea. There is this kind of move tool that you can just take and move the face to the left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Ты что делаешь, тупица? Now that you know my secret.
You need to die.
And now as you can see, I get this kind of pointer and I can just take this and move this to the left and see what's gonna happen. Boom! Now she's moving to the left as well. I can move this to the right and see she's gonna look to the right. And here, look at that. Look how she's changing her view. Isn't that pure magic? But there are also bad news. And I know what you're thinking. Wait, but you didn't tell us about the good news. You only said there are bad news. Well, that's because there are no good news. That plugin is actually paid. Yeah. To download the plugin, you can just go to videohive.net. Okay, not com but net. That's very important, because when you go to videohive.com, it opens some kind of really weird site with cats, and I have no idea what the f is that. So anyway, you go to video, you go to After Effects. Boom.
And here all you have to write is Photo Animation. Boom. And here you have, for example, this one Volume Max, or for example this one Photo Motion X. What? $89? Wait, it was much cheaper when I was looking at that. Or for example this one $31. I'm sure you can find even cheaper ones if you continue looking and if you look on some other sites as well.
You can find it for $19 or something like that. And I know you go like, what? $19? But listen, okay, just listen to me. I have used this effect many times in my Instagram and I always get shit tons love. Anyway, I get lots of followers, okay? Maybe it's a good investment.
And now, my dear friends, the magical animated brush effect.
Technique that I'm gonna show you has actually brought me even more followers.
Yeah.
I've actually created many artworks using this technique, and it also brought me shit tons load of follow. How do you say that word? I don't know. and here's how to do it. And no worries, it's free, okay? You don't need to pay anything to do that, okay?
We can do the brush animation both on the still image and also on the video. We're gonna use still image for the conveniency. So I'll just take this and place it in our assets place. Boom, now it's in our project. Let's take this and let's bring it down here to the layers, and boom, now we see it on the screen. First of all, just have to double click on the layer. You just think, double click. As you can see, now we have here layer eyes 2 opened. Now we just go and take our brush tool. So here when you have your brush, you can go to brushes, and let's actually make this really big. You can control the size here and all the other parameters. Let's make this bigger. You can go to paint to control the color. We just need black color, that's fine, but also let's make this also bigger. And now we see here duration, that's the most important thing for animation. And here we need to choose right on. And if I just start drawing, see what's gonna happen. I just start drawing, for example, from here, and now it goes down here. Boom, it disappeared. What happened? Well, actually now it's in the animation. So for example, if I go here to the timeline and I can just click and drag this, see what's gonna happen. It's gonna start look here, it's gonna start automatically drawing the brush stroke. How magical is that? And if I bring it back, it's gonna disappear again.
Nein, meine Banane ist tot. Bitte tu das nicht zu mir. Ich brauche dich.
Why are you talking in German?
Because it's time to subscribe if you want to get more crazy tutorials like this one.
So now it's inside the animation. Now we can draw even more. For example, I can come here, I can do this part here, I can do this part here. So you can do how many you want. I can make it go from here to here and so on. And in order to play this, I can just click space and see what's gonna happen. Boom, now the eyes are crying. Ah!
Someone is calling. Hello? Yes? Oh, it's the Lord of Photoshop. You know, just like the Lord of the Rings, but he doesn't need a ring to make people disappear. He can just do it in Photoshop. Really? So you're telling me you can go to learnfromfred.com and then you can start your free trial and get access to many different cool projects and classes for free for a whole month? So you're telling me this stuff doesn't exist on YouTube? Oh, that's a unique special artwork. Okay, yeah, maybe I should give it a try. By the way, I got the new shoes. You have to agree they look nice. That's it guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. And I have to go, but I will be back.